Wow. First snowfall of the year. Yeah, what's up? Most people on the first snow of the season, they go snowmobiling, or they go and sit and drink hot chocolate, or just like hang out and have a little fire.
Or like get their snow blowers ready, or like do responsible things.
What we do is we go SeaDooing.
We go SeaDooing, baby.
Heck yeah, we had to break a little bit of ice at the landing.
Just a bit.
But we got out and we're ready to go.
Don't try this at home. You might get hurt.
Dude, these SeaDoo Sparks will do literally everything.
Oh, I'm cold.
I just sprayed the crap out of Nate. No.
Even Jules! Even Stevens! I can't see the land. Oh, there's the land. Hey! Cool it, man!
Yeah, see, you can't see nothing. Of course I do. You know who I am?
How are your toes? Yo, all right. That was the end of our SeaDoo snow adventure. It's winter time now.
Yes, now it's cold, and I don't want to ever SeaDoo in the snow again.
With the right equipment, we might do this again.
In my snowmobile suit.
I don't know what you think. I think it's time for snowmobiles.
Snowmobile time. Let's roll.
Woo! Covered in snow. Snow. It's winter season. Oh.
I could try and start my snowmobile. I know what to do. It's either flooded or not flooded. What are you looking at?
Colin got us in the act.
That's what it looks like.
There you have it, folks. See you on the next one.
I don't care if Nate wants to or not. He's about to drive this thing.
Yeah, baby.